First, using a utility knife, carefully cut out front stake pocket and remove plastic piece. Next, insert raised tab on pocket brace into rear slot and utility rail. Twist in pocket brace, ensuring the tab is closest to the tailgate. Position middle flange on pocket bracket to face outwards. Loop cord around extended threads on pocket bracket and through pocket brace. Then tie knots at top of cord. Lift utility rail and insert pocket bracket into stake pocket. Then align holes in pocket bracket and pocket brace. Pull cord tight and place on bed rail. Secure utility rail with bolt, lock washer, and washer. Refer to standard instructions to install utility rail to front stake pocket. Repeat to install utility rail on opposite side. For remaining rack installation, refer to standard instructions.